reducing the impact of GDPR. I'm going to go over a couple of initial comments on that, and then BPM Online is going to tell us about what your CRM provider should be doing to help you do that, and also you as the data controller, what are you responsible for with your own CRM? So using the source field, I mentioned that you want to record when, where, how the data got into your system. Many CRMs, a source field or something similar to that is provided. Utilize that. Make sure it's very apparent to whoever's going into these files and records in your CRM system. Building data retention policies into your workflows and processes. I mentioned this earlier. So again, that goes back to the idea of, if a product warranty period comes to an end, we don't need that customer information anymore, and now we're going to put a task in our workflow to remove that information once that expiration date hits. Backups and archiving. One thing you can do for that is to make a rule, we're going to delete records more than X years old, and then we're going to filter to find those records, and we're going to remove them from the system. Reviewing user access rights. So your CRM should allow you to define different levels of user access. And again, that goes back to discussing with your admin or your CRM implementation partner about where you can find those tools and what is available to you. And then a CRM portal. So obviously GDPR requires customers to know the information you're keeping about them, and they have the right to change it or remove it or ask us to completely delete it. So you have to document a process that allows them to do that. You can have them call you and manually ask you to delete certain information, or if you provide your users with the portal, that's an easier way to manage that information. And then you also have that automatically documented. So, if I am a data subject and I see that you're using my data for analytics, I don't want that, I could go into the portal and, send in a request directly to your team, ask you to change that, and then I can watch as you update it through the portal. Yes, your problem has been resolved.